This is why a purchase price doesn't matter when buying with a mortgage.
An increase or decrease of about $5,000 to $10,000 in the purchase price only changes your monthly payment by about $25 to $50. This is why getting a seller credit to buy down your interest rate is more beneficial. This can lower your monthly payment by $100 to $200. For a 30-year mortgage, these savings add up significantly. So focus on negotiating better terms rather than just a price reduction. Keep in mind, the bank will only lend you the appraised value of the home, not the purchase price, meaning the appraiser sets the value. What about other common things to negotiate with the sellers when buying a house? Repairs. If the inspection uncovers repairs that need to be made, you can negotiate with the seller to complete those repairs before closing or provide a credit for you to handle them after the sale. Closing date. Pay close attention to the needs of the seller regarding timelines. Most homeowners have an idea of when they need or would like to close. This also applies to you as a buyer. You might have to move at a certain time before your current lease is up, or you want to make sure you have enough time to start making your first mortgage payment after the closing. It's a full month after your closing date, on the first day of the month. This means that if you close on your house on September 25th, your first payment is due November 1st. Appliances or furniture. You can request the seller include certain appliances, like washer, dryer, fridge, or furniture as a part of the deal, saving you the cost of buying them yourself. Home warranty. Negotiate with the seller to pay for a home warranty, which can cover repairs for major systems like HVAC or plumbing for the first year. Today, I covered the reason why purchase price didn't matter when buying a house with a mortgage. Instead, getting seller credits is a lot more beneficial for you to save long term. Also, I briefly covered what other common things to consider when negotiating with the seller. So if you have any more questions, drop me in the comment box below, and I'll see you in the next video.